Yeah, I gotta clean up my van. So, in the maintenance, go ahead and check the static pressure. Shout out Mr. Rogers. If you know, you know. Let's go ahead and zero these out. Okay. The field piece wireless clamp on. The good thing about that field piece wireless mirror is I can get an accurate amp draw while the blower's on, which is real helpful. I know usually on Goodman it'll tell you right here, test external static pressure, 0.5 inches of water column. Now every brand's different, so it depends. But so right now we're at 0.4. You know, nothing to write home to mom about, but that's good. And then on the electrical side, the motor is pulling 2.9 amps, which is closed. We got it wirelessly, and max amp draw is 4.7. So good to go. Get these probes on. Short people problems. Alright, adjusted it so we got the air hitting it proper now. So let's go outside and start checking that. Motor. Forgot, but they turned it off on me before I could put my probes on. Got the disconnect out. I'm gonna go ahead and check the capacitor while I wait for the delay. I think like 74 and 78. So just because I pulled the disconnect, I still always want to verify that power's off so we don't get shocked. So we'll go across. Oh, would you look at that? Burnt. That's no good. We'll go to ground. Okay, power's off. Alright, so I'll take care of that here in a bit. Talk to the customer about that. Let's go ahead and check the cap. It's a 45.5. So that's good. That's still good right there. Looking good. So customer still has parts warranty, so we'll go ahead and take care of it. So turn off the indoor breaker. That way we don't have 24 volts still going to it. Outdoor disconnects pulled out, so I don't have to worry about that. Let's get started. here we go. I think I need this water. It's not Milwaukee. So what probably happened was on installation, they didn't tighten this enough, and wire burnt up. Normally that's what causes it to do that. This wire, this connection, or something pulling too much amp draw. But I mean, it's less than a year old, so doubt it's the amp draw, but you never know. Once we get this taken care of, we'll check all that and figure it out. So a lot of people make the mistake of just cranking these bad boys down, but you want to make sure it's snug and not too tight, because then it'll crack that plastic right here, and it won't sit right, and that's what can cause it to burn up as well. Wait for that. Go to the gauges now. So we got a good temperature split. Pressures look okay. I'm not really happy about the superheat, but there's not too much heat load going on inside. It is 68 degrees when we got here. Good subcooler though. These Goodman systems run about 7 to 9 degrees of subcooling, so right on the money with that, but we'll monitor the superheat. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and rinse it down now. So before y'all come for me and say you did it the wrong way and you didn't rinse it from the inside out, it's only a year old, not much debris built up in there as you can see. So I'm going to rinse it down from the outside and call it a day.